Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of beautiful, nature-saving decor design ideas by turning discarded wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Transforming discarded wood into stunning, functional art reflects a broader movement towards sustainability that is both creative and practical, showcasing the potential of reclaimed timber from old pallets to fallen branches, in crafting unique furniture pieces and decor. This concept embodies the ethos of responsible craftsmanship, where artisans and woodwork enthusiasts embrace the raw beauty of the natural world while simultaneously addressing the critical need to conserve our resources. The allure of reclaimed wood lies not only in its rich history and character, but also in its environmental implications. By repurposing materials that would otherwise contribute to landfill waste, creators engage in a process that champions ecological responsibility and fosters a deeper connection to the environment. The journey of transforming reclaimed wood into functional art begins with sourcing materials that can tell a story. Old pallets, for example, are often discarded after their initial use, yet they're composed of sturdy timber that can be easily disassembled and repurposed. A simple pallet wood table can be reimagined. The wood can be sanded down to reveal its beautiful grain, and with a bit of creativity and craftsmanship, it can be elevated into a rustic coffee table or garden bench that imbues a space with character and charm. The inherent imperfections of reclaimed wood, knots, varied textures, and the remnants of its past add layers of significance to each piece. Each item created becomes not just furniture, but a conversation starter, resonating with those who appreciate the marriage of functionality and storytelling in their home decor. Fallen branches also serve as a treasure trove for creative minds seeking to save nature through art. Rather than allowing these natural materials to decay or be consumed by outdoor waste, they can be carefully harvested and transformed into various decor items. A fallen limb can be turned into a stunning coat rack or wall shelf by pairing it with reclaimed wood for mounting. This design not only celebrates the beauty of nature, but also acknowledges the importance of sustainability. Such projects often require minimal resources and tools, making them beginner-friendly endeavors that encourage more individuals to engage with woodworking and the principles of upcycling. Through workshops and online tutorials, aspiring creators can learn techniques to safely and effectively transform these materials, fostering confidence in their abilities while contributing to environmentally conscious practices. The process of creating functional art from reclaimed wood speaks to the heart of sustainable craftsmanship. Artisans often rely on traditional techniques that emphasize the importance of meticulous craftsmanship and creativity, such as joinery methods that avoid the use of screws or nails, allowing the natural characteristics of the wood to shine through. These methods honor the integrity of the materials while ensuring durability and strength. For instance, a beautifully crafted reclaimed wood table can retain the character of its previous life, dappled with weathered textures and colors while being transformed into a piece that fits seamlessly into a modern aesthetic. This approach highlights how sustainable design can be both stylish and functional, offering alternatives to mass-produced furniture that often sacrifices quality and individuality. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Moreover, as more individuals embrace the idea of creating functional art from reclaimed wood, the potential for profitability becomes clear. Basic projects can have cumulative financial benefits. Homeowners seeking unique, handcrafted items may be willing to pay a premium for functional art that carries a story and simply offers something that goes beyond the ordinary. Items such as coffee tables, decorative shelving units, or handcrafted cutting boards demonstrate how creativity can be commercialized and lead to rewarding business ventures. As consumer awareness of sustainable practices and environmentally friendly products grows, creatives have the unique opportunity to cultivate a market for their work, positioning themselves as artisans who prioritize both aesthetics and ethics. Engaging with reclaimed wood also offers a platform for self-expression and creativity. Each project serves as a canvas, where artisans can explore different methods of woodworking while experimenting with finishes and designs that bring out the wood's innate beauty. From stains and oils that enhance the grain to paint and mixed media that add contemporary flair, the possibilities are virtually endless. This versatility proves to be particularly appealing for beginners eager to establish their unique voice in the world of woodworking. By starting with manageable projects, they can gain confidence and skills, gradually progressing to more intricate designs that push their creative boundaries and hone their craftsmanship. The communal aspect of the woodworking and upcycling movement further enhances its impact. As individuals partake in the art of transforming discarded wood, they often connect with others who share similar passions. Local maker spaces and community workshops foster a sense of camaraderie, where artisans and hobbyists exchange ideas, techniques, and encouragement. This vibrant network promotes knowledge sharing, inspiring newcomers to explore innovative approaches while building their distinct styles. Collaborative projects can also arise, leading to joint business ventures that merge different talents and resources, amplifying outreach and potential profitability. Additionally, the act of transforming reclaimed wood into functional art enriches the personal connection one can forge with nature. Working with these materials fosters an understanding of the environmental importance of sustainability, a reminder that our choices can impact the planet. Each piece created becomes a testament to this ethos. When individuals incorporate reclaimed wood into their homes, they embody a lifestyle choice that values resourcefulness and consciousness over disposability. This intrinsic connection encourages dialogue about responsible consumption and the beauty of embracing natural imperfections, leading to a deeper appreciation for both artistry and the environment. In a world increasingly concerned with environmental degradation, the creative repurposing of reclaimed wood projects serves as a profound reminder of our responsibility to protect natural resources. Each product crafted not only reduces reliance on new materials, but also emphasizes the potential for beauty that exists within discarded items. This innovative approach demonstrates that creativity can truly save our planet while offering a fulfilling and profitable venture. As people engage with wood that has a story, they breathe new life into materials that, though once overlooked, become integral parts of modern life, marrying nature's raw elegance with contemporary design. This movement toward transforming reclaimed wood into functional art provides a unique opportunity for anyone looking to make a difference, both artistically and environmentally. By tapping into this resource-rich practice, individuals are empowered to explore their creativity while contributing to a sustainable future. As projects blossom from discarded materials into cherished items, they affirm the notion that beauty can thrive within imperfection and craftsmanship can provide meaningful solutions to pressing ecological challenges. In the process, they encourage broader discussions about sustainable living practices, reaffirming that through art and imagination, we can all do our part to save nature while enhancing our homes with unique, functional creations that resonate deeply with our shared environment. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beautiful, nature-saving decor design ideas by turning discarded wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.